Dustin Letchworth faced a judge for the first time on those felony charges today after last night's manhunt. His attorney telling me that he grabbed a shotgun and ran, leading investigators on that manhunt for many hours before ultimately turning himself in without incident. We're learning more about his background as well. His attorney telling us that he is a lifelong resident of Wake County. He served in the Army for 5 years, including a deployment to Iraq. He does not have much of a criminal background, though the charges he's facing now are serious: attempted murder, kidnapping, assault with a deadly weapon, and charges related to human trafficking and promoting prostitution as well. All of these charges stem from an incident last month where investigators believe both Letchworth and Daryl Holden, who was also in court today, held a woman captive for several days and tried to beat her to death with a metal object and then a machete before she managed to escape. In court, his attorney said Letchworth was far less involved in all this than Holden. We spoke to him just outside the courtroom after today's hearing.
Talking to my client last night, as well as some of the investigators this morning, it appears that what I said in there as to his involvement being lesser than the other, Mr. Holden, is true. We will sit down with investigators as well as the district attorney at some point and let him provide a statement that will hopefully clarify a lot of things as far as the facts go.
Now, Holden told the judge he plans to hire an attorney, but he did not have an attorney there in court today. Both men were denied bond. They will be held in custody until their next court appearance, which right now is scheduled for early next month. And, I talked to neighbors last night as this manhunt was unfolding. A lot of them voiced that they were concerned for their safety, for their neighbors' safety, and really just in shock about this whole thing taking place. Letchworth's attorney told me today that Letchworth is remorseful for what happened last night, and his attorney does not believe that he ever posed a threat to the community. Of course, we will keep you updated as this story continues to unfold here in our community. Live at the Wake County Justice Center, Sydney Schofield, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.